Hello creative. In this week's video guys, we will be recycling juice containers into storage containers. Let's get started. Using your hot glue gun, glue all containers together. You can leave the containers as is, plain just like that, without any decorations, or you can definitely decorate. You can find decorations at your local craft store or at the thrift store. I found these beautiful pieces right here at the thrift store. Now use the glue gun and glue the ribbons all around the container. Now use your glue gun and just seal the ends by folding the flaps over and locking them in place. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification if you'd like to see more videos like this. Till next time with Jan. Bye.